uh, what do you make of their situation? Because they keep on trying and trying, man. Yeah,
Hey, my good guy. I think it's wrong to run a team the way by running a young situation because it's
yeah.
painful for me with la badlala lava. Bebefuna.
Hmm.
Yes, angithi while badlala kulo was the lower division angithi
Yeah,
NFT.
NFT.
And then they price them high
Hmm.
because they claim that they've developed the players, right?
Yeah,
Which I fully agree with that.
yeah.
It's fine.
You wouldn't have known them.
Yes.
Yes,
So it's okay. They have a right to name a price, you know.
yes.
But looking at their situation, obviously they could see that they're actually not even doing well
Mm,
on the league itself, you know.
yeah,
But now you're running a team, you don't know the rules of PSL. What does it say if you get relegated?
yeah.
So you
Especially if we are not part of the NFT or PSL.
yes. So you also as
Mm,
a team or whoever was running those operations, they don't know that we're about to lose these players for free.
mm.